Okay, so when I started this series, I told you I was going to talk about some wilderness survival stuff while I was up here working on the cabin. And so what I'm going to talk about today is two kits that I carry with me whenever I'm going out in the woods by myself. One for water purification and one for hypothermia or heat. So basically what I have is two kits that I put together. Everything comprised from stuff that you can buy at any outdoor store or Walmart. That's where all of these products come from. They all come from Walmart. I'll start with the water purification one first. These are just waterproof cases. I do one in blue and one in orange. The one in blue is for water and the one in orange is for hypothermia or heat. And for the water purification, I just have the water purification tablets, and you can get iodine tablets, you can get different tablets from different suppliers, but these are the pH Plus and the portable agua. Pretty simple to use, and the only other thing I have with that is a bladder. So it's a 5-liter waterproof bag that I use for my bladder. Really simple, really cheap. This whole kit probably doesn't cost 20 bucks for the water kit, so pretty cheap. For heat and hypothermia prevention, same thing, another waterproof case, colored orange for heat. That's why I did that. Pretty simple again, just a few items in there. A Mylar blanket, space blanket, all right, some waterproof matches and a striker. The tried and true ferro strip with the magnesium block for starting fires. A portable saw. It's one of those wire saws. And then an emergency whistle. I put that in there also. And an extra carabiner. So real simple. For military stuff, when I'm traveling abroad, I have a E&E or escape and evade kit with similar products in it. It's a little more robust, and I always have a GPS with me. I have a GPS with me whenever I go out here too. But pretty much those are the bare essentials that I would carry with me when I'm out in the field. Something for water purification and something for hypothermia prevention. The water here in Vermont, it may be safe to drink out of the streams. I don't trust any water without purifying it, whether that's boiling it or whether that's using water purification tablets. So in a nutshell, that's what I carry when I'm going out in the field by myself. I recommend that you put together your own kit, come up with what you think is essential, keep it simple, keep it light. Between the two kits, probably less than 40 bucks, and it's all stuff you can pick up off the shelf. So that's it for now.